Hello everybody, this is Staika and I'm here to teach you how to make GIFs with GIMP. So to start out with, here I am. It's my avatar. So how you play it is basically just drag it, GIFs cause your death. So, in this video we'll be making this avatar because it's pretty simple animation, good to start out with, easy to figure out. So what you'll need is GIMP 2.8, so you just download it here. I'll put the link in the description. So once you have that installed, we'll open that up. Once that's opened up, you got your three windows. You got your toolbox, your main work area, I don't know what that's called, and you got your layers. I can usually call the layers frames, so if I call them frames, just you know what I'm talking about. So since we're making my avatar, we'll go by the escapist avatar size limit, which is 115 by 115. So now we got that. So here's your background frame. This is the first frame you've created. If you added an avatar you got from the internet, it'll most likely have more frames, but we'll get into that once we start making more frames. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to make my template, which is the drag to see what caused your death. So I was using the Abrima bold text. We'll make that by size 12. Center it. So, drag to see what caused your death. So now we got that. This is what I'm talking about with multiple frames. So you got your background here and your text box here. What this means is that they can be moved independently of each other, like so. We'll just control to see that. So, to make them move together, you have to right click and then merge down. So now they are one frame, so when you move them, they move together. So I'll just undo that. So now we'll get into our deaths, which I created a thread a little while ago, and you all guys have helped me a lot with that, so thank you. Your suggestions are awesome, and I love you all, even if I don't, but we won't get into that, will we? So now we'll start creating the deaths. So just change your color to red. That's what I've been using. Put this back up to 16. So now you create your separate text box. There we go. And so we will make EA kill you first. Easy, right? So when I make this avatar, I usually duplicate my background frame, just the template. As you can see, the eye just makes it disappear. So what we'll do is I will create a copy of this too. Merge down, make these two invisible, and now we have a single frame in my death. Or my death avatar, not my death. I haven't died yet, luckily. So why I duplicated the text box layer was so I could keep the text box and then make a different frame like so. And just let me do this real quick so you can see what I'm talking about. So as you can see, while I flip through the frames, they're all like the same level, so they're all like even, so it just doesn't like bounce all over the place during the animation. So let me just make 3 frames in this sex, because that seems to be everyone's favorite. So now we have 3 layers or frames, as you can see. So to make it play back, what a GIF does is basically goes through all the frames in motion to make a little animation. So we'll just go to Filters, Animations, Playback. So you click play, and there we go. Those are like that. If you want to change the speed at which they go, you just have to edit the layer attributes, and then put in parentheses a number, ms. ms stands for milliseconds, so my avatar goes by 70 milliseconds, so we'll just keep it 70 milliseconds. So we'll just do that. And there we go. So now when we do playback, it goes much faster. So now that we have that, we want to save it. So don't save as, that'll save it as an XCF file, which is just a GIMP file, but what you want to do is export. So we'll go to test avatar.gif, export. So make sure you save it as an animation or it will just merge all the frames together, I believe. But so we'll just export. Go over to my documents. So when we open it up, there we go. And you have just successfully created a GIF. So, next video we'll go over different stuff, which I haven't decided yet, but so, thanks for watching.